So welcome everyone. This is the track called Future of Open Source and Web3 and how we can get involved and why is it necessary. So I have been already introduced. My name is Anubha. I work for PL Dev Guild as delivery manager. We will talk about what is PL Dev Guild later, so I am not going to tell you that. So I am just talking about why Web3 is crucial for decentralized ecosystem. So if you think about Ethereum, IPFS, or any bigger Web3 dApps applications, these all became possible just because of open source projects. And even before that, I think 10 years ago, I started working with Mozilla Foundation. And from there, I got into open source community. I was not at all confident to even take a mic or speak anything or even go on video calls or talk about anything. But all of that happened because I got involved in open source and community myself. We did a lot of sprints finding bugs in Bugzilla and doing a lot of great stuff there. So I think because community is also core for Web3 and we always talk about how people's involvement is really important in terms of, let's say, decision making and even like in terms of voting and deciding who should do what and even the timelines and everything within an organization. I think if we involve open source there, it will become more trustworthy and transparency will come to it. So that's my reason. If you are still not convinced, I prepared a Venn diagram for you, how all three of these combine together: community empowerment, open source, and Web3. They all come together and build that trust and transparency within the ecosystem. So yeah. What we will be covering today is we have a panel discussion right now that talks about how Web3 is getting involved, like in terms of open source development and what we should expect from the projects that are already doing it. And we have two amazing leaders from different projects who are partners with us at PLDG to talk about it. Then we have an introduction to in PLDG, which is done by Katie, who is my colleague in PLDG, and we together help open source developers to get into Web3. And then we have a small speed networking session just to understand who is contributing to which project and what they have done so far and what they want to do next in terms of contributions. So